It's a new 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, automatic parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.